So people are making $35,000 a month right from their phone, doing something really basic that requires no skill. All you have to do is do it and stick to it. What's up, guys? This is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So there is literally a way that you can make $35,000 a month, and guess where they handing these checks out at? On Facebook. And the crazy thing to me is I don't see many people talking about this at all. So I hope you have your pen and paper because I'm about to tell you everything you need to start making this money. And I mentioned this before, but since TikTok showed up on the scene with this short form content, it has put pressure on every other platform out there. YouTube was like, oh no, this must be stopped. Mark Zuckerberg over there at Facebook headquarters trying to figure out how to compete against TikTok. So they all started pushing short form content, and Facebook came prepared. They set aside $1 billion to pay people up to $35,000 a month to create Facebook Reels on their platform. And they said, you know what? Not only are we going to pay them this large amount of money, we're going to make it easier than any other platform to get this money. So just in case you are not familiar with Facebook Reels, that's basically videos that are 60 seconds or less. And to those of you that are out there like, you know what, I don't want to be on anybody's camera, you do not have to show your face. You don't even have to talk in these videos. You can use other clips and all these other things that I'm going to share with you shortly. But we need to get into these requirements first. So first and foremost, of course, you're going to need a Facebook account. And this can be a Facebook profile, which is basically your personal account that you share with your family and friends, or it can be a Facebook page, and that's what businesses, artists, brands, and organizations use to connect with their fans. And the good thing about this is if you have a Facebook profile and you have 3 business pages, you can get monetized on all of them and get paid 3 to 4 times as much. But just know this, if you are using your personal Facebook profile, it has to be turned into professional mode so that you can engage with fans, and that's the only way that they will pay you. But switching your profile to professional mode is really easy to do. All you do is go to your profile, click on these 3 dots here, and then at the bottom it'll say turn on professional mode. Mine is already on, so that's why you see turn off professional mode. But let me tell you, once you turn it on, don't turn that thing off, because it may disappear and you probably will never be able to turn it back on again, which means you're gonna miss out on money. So the next thing on our requirement list is that your Facebook account has to be at least 30 days old. So for those of you out there who thought Facebook was extinct because people not using it as much, it's still very there and alive and paying good. If you have to go back in and create another Facebook page, just know you'll have to wait 30 days before you can even start to get monetized. Now let me tell you the things that makes Facebook Reels easier than getting paid on any other platform like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The first is because when it comes to followers, you don't need any. You can have 1 follower and it can be your mom and you can still get paid. On YouTube Shorts, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and on TikTok, you have to have 10,000 followers. So the fact that you don't need any followers at all to get paid on Facebook is a big win in my book. Now the next thing you're going to need to start receiving this money on YouTube is to have at least 100,000 views on your videos in the last 30 days. On YouTube alone, you have to have at least 10 million views in 90 days in order to start getting paid. And that is a huge difference that is much easier to obtain. And don't let that 100,000 views scare you or run you, because let me tell you something. These short form videos on all the platforms honestly are getting pushed out there way more than any long form video will. People are going viral, I mean literally overnight. Not everybody, y'all. I don't want to tell you just put up your video and then you're going to be a millionaire tomorrow. Some people it may take 3 months, some people may take a year, but the thing is you have to be consistent in this thing. And I know a lot of people hate hearing people say be consistent, but that is literally what it takes. And we'll talk about the reels and how to get the views and what type of videos you need in a second, but let's talk a little bit more about the requirements. So another super important thing is going to be that you need to have posted 5 reels in the last 30 days. And once you hit all of these requirements, then Facebook will send you an invitation. This bonus program is by invite only, but you can go here, you can let them know, okay, I am ready to get into this program and start getting paid. They're going to ask you just a few questions, your name, your email address. You don't really have to answer anything else other than at the bottom. I will select that I want to apply for all of these options here because there are more ways to make money on Facebook. And if you want to hear more about them, drop it down in the comments. I can bring you more information. And then that's it. They'll review the application and then they'll determine if they invite you to make all this good money or not. Now, everybody might not start at the 35,000 as well. I just want to put that out there and let you know. Some people, they start at 1,200, but then gradually they get the increase. But literally putting up 5 videos or a few videos and getting paid, whether it's $1,200 extra a month or 35,000 extra a month, I mean, why not? Now, before you even ask, which you probably already have, what countries these are in, I could not find the specific countries, but I did find this here that says they are launching Reels in more than 150 countries for creators around the world to grow their community. Now let's talk about the videos that you need. First of all, it does not require any kind of special equipment. You can use your phone, but just make sure when you record, you are recording vertically. That is up and down like this. All right, y'all, don't do it that way, do it that way. But what type of content you post, post it all, post anything. I always tell everybody, anything is content. I don't care if you just out there looking at the sky, post clouds, post ocean views, post your windowsill when it's raining. You can post what you ate. You can post you working out, give biblical scriptures. You can put anything out there, and the things that you think are stupid, the things you think won't work, are probably the ones that'll end up going viral. Do not overthink this. Do not be hard on yourself. Just put content out. Now, one thing I've seen a lot of people doing to get to this money, but not having to do too much work to do it, they are just going on Facebook, they're finding trending videos, and then they are remixing them, which basically shows the original clip and then you responding to it, or you just looking at it, because a lot of times people are just staring, shaking their head in agreement. If you look at this video, this girl is literally just sitting here watching this man's video. This video got her 8.5 million views and she didn't really do the work. And if you want to remix a video like this, you have to find a video that has the remix option. It'll be under that share button. Then you'll just press remix reel. And once it loads, you hit the record button and you react however the world you want to react. Stare, laugh, whatever you want to do. And once you're done, hit the record button again to stop it. And you can also edit by adding text. That's what usually gets a lot of people attention. People put stuff like watch till end or something that'll make the people want to keep watching it. You can also add some audio to it if you want to. And then once you're done, you hit next. When it comes to these videos that you are uploading, make sure it does not have any watermarks on it, meaning like logos from any other type of platform, especially TikTok. I see a lot of people take the videos they put on TikTok and upload it to Facebook, but guess what? Facebook say you are going on enemy's territory, and I'm not paying you for this stuff. Again, I told y'all they are trying to outperform TikTok, so they don't want to pay you to promote something you did on TikTok. And another thing you need to know, Reels can only be uploaded from your phone. You can't do it from a desktop, a laptop. It has to be from your phone. And a big one when it comes to editing these things, you can do it right from the Facebook app. You do not need any kind of special software. You don't have to buy a thing, y'all. And editing is really easy to do. You just press on the Reels button, and then once you are in the Reels, at the top you'll see create. You select that. You can use the videos that you already have in your camera. You can just select it. It'll come up. You can add text to it if you want to. You can add effects to it, whatever you want it to do. And then you can also add captions to it as well, and it'll transcribe it for you. And then once you edit your video, you just hit next and you name your reel. Make sure it's on public and you share reel. It's as simple as that, y'all. So today I wanted to kind of just lay the foundation for you to start making money on Facebook Reels. If you want to learn more about this opportunity, just drop it down below and I'll try to bring you some more information. But other than that, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video for me. And until next time, we are out. Peace.